state can charge somebody with aggravated murder if they kill somebody in certain circumstances. For instance, if somebody's already in jail and they kill somebody, if an inmate shanks another inmate and they die, or if a person is killed because they're abused and tortured. And a recent example of that in Lane County was the Angela McAnulty murder case. Or if somebody kills somebody to cover up the fact that they have just committed a crime. So if you break into someone's home and then end up killing them, and you want to kill them so that you cover up the fact that you just committed that burglary, the state can charge you with aggravated murder. The prosecutor's decision to charge somebody with aggravated murder is an important one because you can face the death penalty for that in Oregon. So whether or not a prosecutor decides to go after the death penalty in a certain case is an important question for the community to consider, because defending a death penalty case starts two parallel tracks. You have to defend the case to a jury and prepare your defense, but you also have to look into mitigation, and that can sometimes be more expensive than defending the case itself. You have to look into a person's entire life, so every fact about their life could be relevant as you try to convince the prosecutor and the jury to take the death penalty off the table. We know that there's a moratorium on the death penalty in Oregon right now. So the question becomes, is this the best use of our resources to charge a case as a death penalty case, spend what could be hundreds of thousands of dollars of state money if the person has a court-appointed attorney in defending a case, and then putting the jurors through that decision of deciding whether or not someone should die? Because even if somebody deserves to die because they've done something horrible, should we put the community and the jury and our system through that for what ultimately would become a symbolic decision? We don't know if Sarah Coleman's killer will be charged with aggravated murder or if he will face the death penalty, but these are all important questions to think about.